So here we have the new 226 semi-auto pistol from SIG SAUER, one of the largest firearms entities in the world. In 2015, SIG SAUER announced that they would be entering into the manufacturing of the airgun world. 9 months later, they've produced this, the 226 semi-auto blowback pellet firing pistol. With full metal body and poly grips, all weather non-slip grips, blowback action. The new SIGs have been designed and manufactured by SIG SAUER themselves instead of licensed out to other companies, and it shows. With a massive FPS of 510 feet per second velocity, it has a twin shot magazine, easy release, twin 8-shot, rotary magazine on each side, manual safety catch, single double action trigger, with a revolutionary CO2 bottle design system. The 226 does away with all the Allen keys or fidgety screwing. All you do, place the CO2 capsule in and push, and you're done. Simple. The 226 has a long as expected trigger pull, but very smooth, and pulls at just about 3 pounds 14 ounces, making for a smooth, fast firing pellet gun. The 226 with a decent branded CO2 bottle, you should get between 40 and 70 shots per fill, depending on what pellets you're using. The weight on it is a hefty 2.3 pounds. It does come with a screw silencer adapter. These actually fit the real 9mm silencer adapter, but are, as you'd expect, expensive. We are in the process of sourcing some ourselves, and you can look them up on the site in due course. Fixed front and rear sights with painted white dots on the end for greater accuracy. Picatinny rail as standard for a laser sight, torch, etc. And SIG SAUER marking on the slide. The rifle steel barrel ensures extremely high accuracy and is ideal for pest control of small vermin such as rats and pigeons, as well as targeting and plinking.